I added eggs and apple peel. It's delicious. In a blender, add 3 eggs and the peel of 3 apples. Add 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of oil, and mix. I'm using a 200 ml cup. Comment below where you are watching us from. I will personally thank you for watching this video. We'll be super happy. After finishing with the blending, pour the mixture into a bowl. Now add 2 cups of flour. Sift it. It will help you once you start mixing. Mix until smooth. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love apples. Now add 3 apples, cut into small pieces. These are the apples I have peeled before. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix well. Pour the mixture into a baking pan, greased with butter and dusted with flour. You guys, you have to try this cake at home. You're gonna love it. Using a silicone spatula, spread the dough across the tin. Now put it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. You know it's ready after inserting a fork in the middle and it comes out dry and clean. And our recipe is ready. Look how nice our cake is. This is a perfect recipe for your breakfast or an afternoon snack. It's incredibly tasty. I really hope you liked our recipe. I will now go check the comments below and thank everyone. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.